let's see how to do a command line in Python. So basically the command, you can use the hashtag symbol, which is this one is for a single line command. So here I can put any text here, ha ha ha. So this ha ha will not be read by the compiler or the interpreter. And then this hashtag sign we can put behind the value can, and then we can also put behind a function or if or any logic. So this one is not affecting the line after it. But what if we want to comment the whole or multiple line? We can use a triple single quote. So let me make a example here. So I put three single quote here. So and then three single quote here. So this one, in between these three single quote, all this multiple line comment. So for the hashtag is single line comment, and then for the triple single quote is for multiple line comment. So now let's see another comment that we commonly use to make a document or make a description of a function. So let's say I create a function a, and then we want to put let's say a documentation for this function a. So I can put uh, triple double quote here, and then I can put some documentation. This function is used for blah 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 blah, and then we can put something here, name is equal to Harry. So what is the use of this triple double quote here? Actually we can use like this, a dot doc here, like this one. So a dot underscore underscore dot underscore underscore, which is this will return this triple double quote text, which is a description of this a function. So if I run this one, and then we can see what I write in the function as a description of the function. Okay, so this is commonly used to create a documentation of our program, so the other developer can understand our function.